Hello guys, welcome to Usedtube. Today I'm reviewing the second-hand docking station from Targus. This particular model is ACP70EU. This is a slightly older model, but it's supposed to work with Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and Windows 10. I purchased this item for my laptop, Dell 3542 i7 running Windows 10, which you can see there. This did not work at all, as you can see by the blog that I've written and used reviews I've started to put up on this blog site. My first review is this Targus unit. I had to install various drivers. There was no documentation in the box whatsoever. All I had was just the unit itself. With Dell you get a D3000 I believe, which looks absolutely identical to this one. That seems to work as far as I can make out, but this one, looking from research, this one says item number 51. Apparently they don't work. They don't work on Windows 10, or not with this particular laptop. The item number 61 apparently do work, but as to not having one of those to review, and I've only got the item number 51, I can't comment on that one. I've downloaded all the drivers from Dell. I've updated all the drivers, so the laptop is now completely 100% up to date. All the USB drivers are up to date, and the video drivers, the latest drivers for this off of Targus's website, are also up to date, and it still doesn't work. So we'll be giving this one a thumbs down, I think. Thumbs down on this one. So that's the Targus ACP70EU.